I'll be going over an automotive smoke machine. Smoke machines are used for finding leaks on cars. And the smoke machine I got, it's an AutoLine Pro. I'm gonna open the top cover. The inside, it's a coil. And there's also a marble inside. I'm gonna put the top cover back on. The marble inside the machine, it's there so when you put the fluid in, you know how much fluid you put in. Because you're supposed to put fluid in until the fluid are above the marble. I'm gonna hang the machine up here. When I got this smoke machine, it does come with some smoke fluid. But currently I have USP mineral oil. I have this mineral oil currently inside the smoke machine. And there's a hose that goes to the smoke machine. This is the power cable. The power cable is easy to connect and disconnect. So when I'm not using the machine, I'll disconnect the power cable. I'm gonna use it now, so I'm gonna connect. All the power will be coming from the battery of the car. I'm gonna connect the red clamp to the positive post of the battery, and the black clamp I'll connect to the negative post of the battery. The power cable, it has a fuse. It's a 10 amp fuse. The instruction manual for this smoke machine, it says to use the machine for no more than 15 minutes. And then let it cool down. And then if you want to use it again, then use it again. On this power cable, it also say 15 minutes max cycle. I'm gonna use the timer on this phone so I don't go over 15 minutes. This smoke machine has a regulator. It's locked in at either 1 psi or 0.5 psi. I'm not sure about the exact. I have the hose from the air hose from the air compressor connected to the smoke machine, but I haven't released any air out. There's a regulator knob here to release the air, and I haven't released any air yet. So the air hose is connected, but there's no air going out yet to the smoke machine. The instruction manual say to turn it on for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna turn it on for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna release the air from the air compressor. I'm gonna turn it on. And then I'll set the timer. I'm gonna turn off the camera because I don't want this video to be too long. And then once it's near the 3-minute mark, I'll turn the camera back on. So it's almost 3 minutes. I'm gonna release air to the smoke machine. And when I do, smoke will come out from here. It doesn't look like there's much smoke. Okay, there's more now. Might just have to wait a little longer. Okay, I could see more smoke now. Okay, that's a lot of smoke. You gotta watch out for fluid, because there could be a little bit of fluid coming out from the nozzle, from the condensation from the smoke. If you're using this smoke machine and there's too much fluid coming out from the nozzle, you could raise the hose up so the fluid will fall back into the smoke machine. It's only been 7 minutes. I'm gonna turn it off. Stop the air from going out. And keep in mind that when you turn on the switch here, the smoke machine will get hot, so you don't want to touch the smoke machine. This is all I got for this smoke machine. Thank you for watching.